pagpapatuloy ng magandang ugnayan ng Pilipinas at Malaysia, patuloy rin ang pagtutulungan ng ating mga bansa pagdating sa ekonomiya. At kamakailan nga, mga Filipino importer, manufacturer at developer naman ang target na tulungan ng bagong proyekto ng Embassy of Malaysia in the Philippines. Panoorin po natin ito.
Ang oil palm tree ay nagpo-produce ng high-quality oil o tinatawag na palm oil na pangunahing ginagamit sa iba't ibang produkto, kagaya na lamang sa food products, detergents, cosmetics at maging sa biofuel at marami pang iba. Nito lamang nakaraang taon, ang global production ng palm oil ay umabot sa 79,464,000 metric tons. At ang isa sa pinakamalaking exporter ng palm oil sa buong mundo ay ang Malaysia na may 24% na ambag sa kabuuang global production ng palm oil. Sa katunayan, sa taong 2023, tinatayang umaabot sa $2 billion ang revenue ng palm oil industry sa Malaysia. Kaugnay nito, kamakailan lamang ay nag-organisa ng isang trade networking and business matching event ang Malaysian Palm Oil Council o MPOC sa tulong ng Malaysia External Trade Development Corporation at ng Embassy of Malaysia dito sa Pilipinas.
We see Philippines a very good market for our palm oil because it has a very good potential for palm oil growth. So we in MPOC give them a platform to meet. So it's just like, okay, we give the Malaysian company to introduce themselves and then to have the business matching and then to know people in Philippines. As far as I know, the growth of the palm oil in this industry is in the Philippines are very good in terms of in the hotel, restaurant and catering. So and also for the fast food chains, which is food services.
Dinala ng MPOC dito sa Pilipinas ang 11 Malaysian palm oil companies upang ipakilala ang mga ito sa Filipino importers, developers at manufacturers. Dumalo rin dito ang Ambassador of Malaysia to the Philippines, His Excellency Dato Abdul Malik Melvin Castellino upang ipahayag ang kanyang suporta. At ipinahayag niya rin ang kanyang pagdamay sa mga naapektuhan ng bagyong Karina.
Allow me, of course, on behalf of Government of Malaysia to extend our deepest sympathies to those who are affected by Typhoon Karina. The Malaysian government sent ready to support Government of Philippines anyway to assist and help those affected.
Ang industriya at produksyon ng palm oil sa Pilipinas ay hindi ganong kalaki kung ikukumpara sa bansang Malaysia. Kaya naman ang mga ganitong klaseng programa ay malaki ang maitutulong sa pagpapaunlad ng industriya nito sa ating bansa. At kaakibat nito ay ang paggawa ng karagdagang job opportunities at paglago ng ating ekonomiya.
The palm oil industry presents a tremendous opportunity for Philippines, both in Luzon, Visayas, and also particularly in Mindanao and the BAM area. Malaysia is ready to support, especially our industry through MPSU, the Malaysian Palm Oil Council, to be able to see how they can also support the Philippine manufacturers and private sector to develop this industry. We hope to have many more of these events in the coming months.